Oh, look, there's the torque. Isn't that great? You never get this stuff for the Ducati. It's impossible to find this information.
Yeah, yeah.
So I've got 1 litre of 2050. Yes. Well, it says 1040 or 2050,
Yeah.
but in the manual, it gives you the outside temperature ranges and which oil you should use.
Yeah, like if you're in the tropics.
Yeah, yeah.
Desert or
And it's 2050 is the one. Well, let's pull all this apart.
Oh, yeah, it looks clean. That's probably got a magnetic.
Yeah, it's a Takigawa magnetic accessory plug thing. Nice. The motor has little feet in the casting so you can put it on a bench. Pressure.
Oh, yeah. There's a bit more on there, isn't it?
Yes, I've ordered a 4-pack
okay.
from China. It's about $30 to get 4 of them here. Okay, that's fine. Let's have a look inside. Gears. Obviously. There's oil. There's some scudge down in the corner.
Just a tiny bit of...
Well, the motor's still in there. There's the bottom of the oil.
Well, it all looks extremely clean down there.
Yeah. I guess the brakes are probably the most important thing because they're genuinely stuck together. So
that is very tight. That was so
got that one.
So tight.
It's going to go boing. But now,
Like,
there we go. Yeah, it is spring-loaded, so. And this one. I was just going to hold those and just...
Getting any movement?
Well,
there's nothing much in here then.
Why is there nothing there?
Well, let's take that off and have a look. So where's the drain hole? That's it there, isn't it? Yeah.
Tip it over and it should be good.
So do you want to remove it from the footrest?
I'm not sure we need to take this one off. I mean, this one works, doesn't it?
No, it's jammed.
Oh, this one doesn't work either. Oh, for God's sakes.
Yeah.
Right, let's pull everything to pieces. I didn't realize that one was jammed up. I never used it.
There we go. Look. Yeah.
But I don't want the whole thing falling down.
No, I'm holding it.
Right, do you want to shove that in there maybe? Just stick something in so you don't have to hold it from the other side. Okay, let's push something in from this side again.
Yep.
Okay, so now this should pop out. It's a weird little system, that. That's a floating system.
Yes.
Without the disc being floating, so the disc can just be fixed. Yeah. This has just got one piston.
Right.
And it doesn't move. It's pretty solid as well.
Yeah. Bit of leverage. Pressure.
Well, that's the air. Yeah. So we'll do that with air pressure.
You reckon? You can get air pressure?
Yeah. It feels like it's too tight for air pressure, but we'll try it. It actually feels too tight. See, one option is to put it in a vise and just give it a squeeze. There.
Moving quite a lot. They're definitely moving. It doesn't seem to take too much effort.
Feels tight though.
It's good seal.
It's not budging. That was a lot of pressure just then, yeah.
The seal is great. Good try, though.
Yeah, it's not budging.
No, you couldn't feel any movement.
Well, I don't think this one moves either. Has this got a nipple in it? Yes. Well, let's see if this comes out. Try the air on that. See if it budges.
And, oh! Jesus, it worked.
I didn't even do it on camera. The whole thing is a brake job. There's no getting around it. Yeah.
Oh.
That's all corroded in there. This needs a full rebuild kit. That's for sure.
Yeah, it's got Bit of water in there, isn't it?
Okay, let's just get a poker and a prodder. See if it pops or not. Pops.
Ah, here we go. Here we go.
Lovely.
Nice, yeah.
Yeah. I'm going to be on eBay tonight trying to find something that fits. I haven't got any money. I couldn't even afford the bloody battery. Well, the pressure blaster is starting to look a little bit like a culprit to me. If you do this to your car engine, this is what you end up with, is just water inside everything that's meant to be sealed. Well, even so, I think I could, if I go like that. Oh, just fell through.
I just okay.
Well, again, this could be cleaned up. So let's just wrap today's little session up. We took off the brakes, both front and rear, took off the brake cylinders, front and rear, and pulled it all to pieces because, as it turned out, everything was locked up. Nothing worked. So the front caliper was locked, the rear caliper was locked up, the rear master cylinder was locked up, and the front wasn't giving us anything. There was corrosion, obviously, and even though the cylinders both have these rubber seals, must have been water behind the seals because it looked like this. And both of them were seized up because of that. My suspicion is that this was water blasted, because if you use a high pressure water blaster on a bike, that's exactly what you end up doing. You force water behind these kinds of seals, and then it sits there and corrodes. The actual bores themselves look good. There's no problem there. The rubbers look good. No problem there. These pistons are not looking good. These two here are seized in completely. I can't get them out. I've tried high pressure air. This one here was also seized up. That one did come out with some air pressure. You can see where it's stuck. So what happens is if you pressure blast, you get water past this first seal here into this space where that metal rim is, but it doesn't go as far as past the second seal. And so it corrodes there at that level. And that's that level there. I'm going to have to get some parts, whatever the brake kits are for this. Hoping to get all of that, if available. Over here, now these hoses, they look okay. The brake pads have plenty of meat on them, hardly been used. So in many ways it does look like a low-K bike, very low-K. But it's certainly been sitting. All right, so we'll leave it there today. Still got plenty to do, but there might be a break of a week or two while I try and get these parts from somewhere. All right, if you like what you see, give me a like, subscribe, follow, leave a comment, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.